sister will know how difficult it is to make vlogs outside or when you're cooking. You'll be like, baby, come and record me. Baby, come and record me. It is over because my meta class is here. Oh my God, guys. Whew. I can't wait to unbox it and to make use of it. Meta glass make life easy, guys. Let's unbox it so we see how it look. Imagine you're outside. All those people that will be like, are you recording? Are you recording? And it's a public place, so they'll still be asking you, is it not because you see camera on my hand and you're saying, are you recording?
Only in one country.
Huh?
In one country.
Especially in one country. You're in a public place, you're asking me if I'm recording. Oh, yeah, enter us now. Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Anyways, guys, I'm super happy because when I'm cooking now, I'm no longer telling my husband, baby, come and record me. Oh, I have to wait. Oh, where are you going? Come back first. No. I just put my glass and do my cooking. Ooh, take a look at that. Let's keep the case first. Baby.
The charging case, you know.
Yeah, I go for this particular one so you can be able to make use of it both night and day. Like, nobody be like, why are you wearing darker shade at night? Is that even making sense? It's not making sense. Ooh, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what app go here on for my
That's
hands?
what I will fit you.
Eh? You don't need to. You go fit in now. You know that kind of thing when we say you're gonna use one phone, the video horizontal, then the other one you need to, kind of just do something. You'll be like, how go to make 2 records? It's not possible. But with this, you're covered. Anywhere you they go, you they record you. Only be like saying that my eye they make up for not be you.
Might see first.
Give it to me, baby.
It's okay.
Ooh, take a look at that. This is gorgeous. Don't worry. All those people will be like, Madam, are you recording? Come and remove my glasses for me now. I'll give you boza. Anyway, guys, we order it and it deliver a day. My car, like a day delivery, and it's about 379 pounds. And I think it worth it. Baby, let's try it first.
Yep.
Let's try it. Come and connect it. Let's see. You want to just catch me because the embarrassment is too much. Madam, are you recording? Drop that camera. Oh, yeah, come and drop my glasses for my eye. Anyways, guys, content creator will kind of understand the excitement. It's kind of
Even in the airport in Nigeria, I don't know what's your problem.
the era of some
place.
places in the airport, baby, you're not meant to record. There are some public places they'll be like, are you recording? No, I'm not the record.
You go restaurant with your family, you can't just have time with yourself.
I'm telling you, the stress of carrying phone around is over. Things are moving digital. Things are moving AI, horizontal, bracket. Anyways, guys, baby, you should say this thing enter your eye. I'm not sure because it tights me.
You go buy your own. There's another shape I'll buy for you.
Come see. I put put on my hand. You say your face now 3 people face.
There's another shape I'll get for you. Now it's for women.
The enter. Most of people they like glasses before.
But I don't like too much black. But it's okay. This is for serious business.
But they for hide these lenses. They for hide them. I try gonna for hide them because now when we say all of us when we go take picture, we don't they showcase and now. All those people when they hide they do bad when we say they know they agree make record they don't call they know say okay glasses there when they record person. By the time you put on for yourself, take off your glasses. You're gonna hear.
I can't see. I have eye problem.
You're gonna hear. I can't take off your glasses.
You're trying to say you're not see now.
Ooh, guys, it's making sense, yeah. It's making sense. Ooh. Let me see what's oh. Oh, you also come with a speaker. You can play music with it, you can make video with it. Don't worry. By the time they say hello, they go person they look you not carry earpiece for you, not carry anything. Be like, share this person they okay. Oh share already. Okay. So this is what you'll be seeing me regularly with now. Yeah.